Welcome to the channel Phone Mania. In today's video, we are going to compare the audios of the Galaxy S24 Ultra versus the Vivo X200 Pro. Let us start off from the Vivo X200 Pro itself. So in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay. Galaxy S24 Ultra. Okay, both have different type of audio, I would say. Anyways, well, X200 Pro. Okay, so I would say the bass tones and loudness I felt the first time it's the X200 Pro is a bit better. Anyways, let me check S24 Ultra as well. But the crispness for the audio, especially the variations in the sounds as well as crisp tones and crisp elements in the tone is very visible on the S24 Ultra versus it's somewhat missing on the Vivo X200 Pro. But okay, so the bass tones along with the loudness is definitely a bit better on the Vivo X200 Pro versus again I would say loudness. S24 Ultra. Yes. So definitely these are the two areas the Vivo X200 Pro takes the lead. The first thing is in the bass tones. Actually, Galaxy S24 Ultra is good still. Actually, this gives a bit more bass tones for me, especially the X200 Pro, and along with that loudness is a bit better if you compare the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But areas which Vivo X200 Pro misses is the elements, actually the very minor sounds, like the cling ting, that kind of very vocal minor instrumental sounds is missing on the X200 Pro versus S24 Ultra just captures each and every crisp and clear detailing for the S24 Ultra. And now we are going to turn off the Dolby Atmos and going to check this once again. I'm going to turn off the Dolby Atmos because Dolby Atmos prefers more quality over the sound and all. So now let us play once again, starting off again X200 Pro. Okay, S24 Ultra. Oh, S24. Now S24 Ultra is back in action. So that's wow. Oh! Yes. Stunning, no doubt. So the thing was, if you turned on the Dolby Atmos, and then it would focus more on the quality, the crisp elements on the audio. But if you turned off, then it is gonna show what the speaker is gonna be. Wow, stunning. So I would say I need to give a win for the S24 Ultra. Anyways, let us get a bit more into this once again. S24 Ultra. Oh man. Oh, S24 Ultra nailed. Okay. So I just love the Galaxy S24 Ultra in terms of the audio. So that's my preference. Might be you love the audio out of the Vivo X200 Pro. It's completely upon you. I do respect that. But in my preference, I think the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers a better audio than that of the Vivo X200 Pro. And if you ask about the margin, it's approximately about a 5% around. And so that's today. Signing off. It's Phone Mania.